Kampuni ya Total Energies yahirwa obujunaanizibwa bw'okutimba amajuta okuruga omu biziba by'amajuta ebya Tilenga omu district ya Buliisa hamwe na Noya ekatandika emirimo y'okutebeekanisa omwanya gw'okwombeka mu Eirundaniro ry'amajuta. Tilenga nibiija kuryombeka hitaka ry'obuhango bwa acres 7 omu kyaro kya Kasenyi omu gomborora ya Ngwedo kandi hati ekicweka ky'okutebeekanisa omwanya ekibaire nikikorwa ba Motor Angel kihwire.
And the Motor Angel has in phases handed over to Mark Demot, who is going to put up the different facilities that are needed here. They are going to build the central processing facility when Motor Angel finishes the work.
Waliwo ekifo kye central processing facility oba amafuta bwe bagenda okugalongoseza nga gavudde mu ttaka. So wano we tuli mu phase gye bayita enabling infrastructure nga eno ye phase egenda otuyambako okugulawo ekifo abacontractor basobole okujja okusimba foundations ze structures endala eziriwo.
Engineer Charles Wawirori engineer bya Total Energies yagamba ngu biine ebiziba 31 eby'amajuta omuri Tilenga kandi byona byatandikire kutebeekanisibwa. Christopher Ochoumi oli omugambirizi wa kampuni ya Total Energies yagamba ngu bwahati bahiire abanya-Uganda emirimo abarikurenga 10,000 kandi nibateekateeka kwongeraho n'abandi.
We have about 2,000 people employed directly, I mean working directly with Total, then indirectly working with our contractors and subcontractors. And they are casual workers, they are semi-skilled workers, and they are skilled workers. Like you see the rest of us, we are all local Ugandans. So we have so many, and we are hoping to have so many more coming in as the project takes shape.
For this work to move, we need water. So we also have a contractor who is supporting us in drilling water. That is Gulf Consultant Uganda Limited. So they are carrying out these activities in the various well pads. This is happening, they finished with this area, and now they are outside in the various well pads. The water is going to help us to sustain the dust suffocation and the rest that is needed to support.
Ahicundura erihango niho harikuza kuruga omushekye gwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline ogurikuza kuba nigugatwara omuri Tanga omuri Tanzania. Gasha kwa Ambrose ni wagaba Katoto.